How to use well intake from Grenat to generate a datum-corrected model in Saphir. This video shows how to share the well flow model defined in Grenat to Saphir and to obtain datum-corrected results from the analytical model. An existing Saphir file shows pressure data at wellhead conditions. A model is generated, and a match is reached by using a high skin value. The initial pressure from the model is also at gauge depth. Create a new analysis from a copy of the current one. Observe the well intake option is not yet available. Open Grenat. The file already has the PVT and well sketch defined. The temperature profile used is linear. Open the Traverses dialog and select the reference correlation to use. Move to the Input tab. The input information at top conditions will be used to generate the pressure profile at bottom conditions. Move to the Options tab. Change the integration steps from constant to 5 foot and click on Compute. Then click on OK. A new Traverses plot is created. Maximize it and open the display settings. Show the well sketch, hold-ups, and flow pattern panes. Open the Kappa Workstation browser. This option permits the sharing of data and information between files from the same module or files between different modules. Expand the nodes of both files. Drag and drop the well model from Grenat to the well node of the new analysis in Saphir. Go back to Saphir. This analysis now has a well intake defined that can be used when the analytical model is run. The model results will then display the correct sand face skin, sand face initial pressure, and average drainage area pressure. But the model simulation will display the pressure at gauge depth. This concludes this video on how to use well intake from Grenat to generate a datum-corrected model in Saphir.